This is the STAIGIS compressor wine cooler model ST26012. I wanted to do an unboxing for you so you can see how it arrives after you order it. This thing is really super heavy. It says in the box here gross weight about 46 pounds. I carried this up 2 flights of stairs and it was pretty heavy. You got to be careful with this. It's 34 inches tall by 13 inches wide. And if you look on the bottom here when they ship it, the bottom section is separate from the top. So I should be able to put these straps and just pull this lid off. Let's find out. Let's see. I have enough room. So here's the unit itself. Look at that. Looking good. That fits perfectly on my desk. I just want to point out too, just so you know, the cord that comes with it is about 6 foot long, so you got plenty of reach. And here it is all set up in the kitchen. Comes with a set of directions. After you unpack this thing, you want to let this thing sit upright for 24 hours before you plug it in. Let everything settle in there. There are 3 different varieties of this. There's the 12 bottle, the 18 bottle, and the 24 bottle. This is the 12 bottle, which is perfect for us. Just to show you, you got a little handle here on the front of the door. A lock unlock feature here on the top. Press this button and it allows you to use the rest of the buttons. So we've got the temperature reading here at the top. You can adjust it down if you want. It goes between 40 and 66 degrees. You can adjust it down, set it to wherever you want it to be. And there's actually a light inside of there that you can check out. You can put a whole variety of stuff. You can display 2 of your favorite wines in the front here. You can put 10 other bottles in here if you wanted to. Or you can put water, anything you want in here. These racks are actually removable, so it's easy to clean. And you can set it in any configuration that you want. You can see with the configuration that we have it set up, you can even put cans in there to cool off. They don't sit in there exactly perfect, but they do sit in there. So if you're looking for a good, affordable 12-bottle wine cooler, check out the STAIGIS wine cooler. It's not the smallest thing in the world, but it's not the largest thing in the world. It's probably great for a downstairs bar, in your kitchen, or in your wine cellar. But anyway, check it out, STAIGIS wine cooler.